Hi, I'm Tom Gattuso, Vice President of Events for SEMA, and I'm standing in the new West Hall at the Las Vegas Convention Center. I'm thrilled that we can come together this year to celebrate the innovation and products and people in our industry. This year, the SEMA show will be more than just cars and trucks. It's a celebration of the automotive aftermarket. The West Hall's expanded layout is just the start to what's going to be the best SEMA show in its 54-year history. And with the new hall, traffic flow will be easier. You'll find improved access to exhibitors and features like education, new products, and networking. There's also a new underground transportation system connecting different areas of the campus to one another. And it's another way of getting around the convention center that will be much easier this year. Eventually, that tunnel will be part of a bigger system that will reach the Las Vegas Strip and McCarran International Airport. But you'll be able to see and use the system and get around the show this November. Be sure to visit our website, semashow.com, for the latest updates. That's where you'll be able to register for the show, secure housing, and there's a link for manufacturers to apply for booth space as well. Don't forget to follow us on social media at SEMA Show. All of us at SEMA look forward to welcoming you to the show this year, and we can't wait to see you in November.